Hello, my name is Juan Sebastián Ramírez Sandoval, and I am going to talk to you about market research and what it's made of. Market research. Market research is defined as the process of evaluating the viability of new product or service. Uh, it's made up of prime market research and secondary market research, primary market research and secondary market research. The primary market research is made up of primary market research. Primary market research is a process where organization or business get in touch with carry out relevant studies to collect data. The data collected can be quality data and numerical data and quantified data, numerical statistical data. Is made of ethnographic research. This type of in-depth research is conducted in the natural setting of the respondent. This method requires the interviews to adapt himself to the natural environment of the respondents, which could be a city or a remote geography. Constraints can be hindering factor in conducting this kind of research. A therapy reach can last from a few days to a few years. It made of focus groups. Focus groups, one of the commonly used quality research methods. Focus group is a small group of the people who typically respond to only surveys sent to them. The best part about focus groups, the information can collect remotely, can be done without personally interacting with the group members. Um, it made of one-to-one interview. As the name suggests, this method involves person interaction in the for interview, where the research a series of questions to collect information or data from the respondents. The market, the secondary market research is made up of secondary market research. Secondary market research information that is organized by outside your life government agencies, media, chambers of commerce, etc. This information is public in newspaper, magazine, books, company website, free government and no-government agencies, and so on. Secondary source makes us of the following. Um, it's made of uh, commercial sources. Commercial sources, although really are expensive, local newspaper, magazine, journal, television media are great commercial sources to collect information. It's made of educational institutes. Uh, Although not a very popular source of collecting information, most university and education institutes are a rich source of information as many research projects are carried out there than any business sector. It's made of and so public sources. Public sources like library are with some way of the gathering free information. Government libraries usually offers service free of cost. Our research can document a variable information. Finish the exposition.